You know how most cars get a complete redesign every 5 to 7 years? Well, some American cars decided to just not do that. These are the automotive legends that survived for decades with almost no major changes. And shockingly, people kept buying them. Let's dive in. First up, the undisputed king of institutional vehicles, the Ford Crown Victoria. From 1992 to 2011, this car was everywhere. Split police departments, taxi companies, you name it. Why? Because it was simple, tough, and cheap to fix. It was built on a body and frame platform, just like a truck, which made it incredibly durable. Sure, the interior felt like a time capsule from the early 90s. And the V8 engine wasn't exactly a speed demon, but its reliability was legendary. If you needed a car that could take a beating and keep on going, the Crown Vic was your answer. It was the automotive equivalent of a Nokia phone, basic but practically indestructible. Next, we have a vehicle that's probably delivered a package to your door at some point. The Chevrolet Express van. This workhorse has been in production since 1996. That's nearly 3 decades with the same basic bones. While other vans have modernized, the Express has stuck to its old-school body and frame roots. This makes it a favorite for plumbers, electricians, and anyone who needs a simple, customizable cargo hauler. It's not fancy. The dashboard looks like it has been updated since the first Mission Impossible movie came out. But for businesses, if it ain't broke, don't fix it, is a motto that saves money. The Express van is living proof of that philosophy. It's a tool, not a toy, and it does its job exceptionally well. Now for something a bit more exciting. The Dodge Challenger. When Dodge brought back the Challenger nameplate in 2008, they nailed the retro muscle car look so perfectly that they barely had to touch it for over 15 years. While its competitors, the Mustang and Camaro, went through major redesigns to look more modern and sleek, the Challenger stayed true to its 1970s inspiration. It was big, bold, and unapologetically old school. Dodge focused on what was under the hood, cramming bigger and bigger Hemi engines into it, culminating in monsters like the Hellcat and the Demon. Buyers loved it. They weren't looking for a corner-carving sports car. They wanted a throwback to the golden age of American muscle, and the Challenger delivered that in spades. It was a masterclass in knowing your audience and giving them exactly what they want. Finally, we have an icon that defines the word timeless, the Jeep Wrangler. The Wrangler's lineage goes all the way back to the original Willys Jeep from World War II. While it's been updated over the years with more creature comforts and better technology, its fundamental design has remained sacred. Round headlights, a 7-slot grille, removable doors, and a fold-down windshield. These are non-negotiable. The Jeep Wrangler YJ, which ran from 1987 to 1995, had square headlights, and Jeep enthusiasts still talk about it like it was a crime against humanity. Jeep learned its lesson. From the TJ generation in 1997 all the way to today's models, the core look has been preserved. Why? Because the Wrangler isn't just a car. It's a lifestyle. It represents freedom, adventure, and a gunny-wear spirit. Changing that would be like changing the formula for Coca-Cola. It's a design that's so perfect for its purpose that it has become eternal. So there you have it. From the humble work van to the mighty muscle car, these American vehicles prove that sometimes the best design is the one that stands the test of time. They might not have the latest gadgets, but they have something more important, a legacy. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this trip down memory lane, hit that like button and subscribe for more automotive stories. See you in the next one.